Look at that.
Wow, Colt. Wow.
Oh, it's Papa. It's Papa.
It's Papa.
He thought I was Santa Claus. He's like, get that guy out of here. Hmm? Oh, turn it on. Go ahead.
Oh, look.
Who's that? Is that Thomas? Thomas? Is it Thomas?
Look at that. Wow.
The cat's gonna follow it around.
Yeah.
There he goes. Oh boy, it's Thomas.
I'll never get the front of him, but I'll take a picture.
What? It's gonna come around again.
It should.
It's gonna come around again, baby. Oh, the cat derailed the train.
What do you think, buddy? Hey, Colt.
Boy.
I think he thinks it's great.
Oh, are you gonna take it off? Wanna look at it? Okay. There you go, you can look at it. Yeah. Is that your new train? Okay.
How much track do you have to get to go around it? Did you have to buy extra track?
Yeah. Susie got a pack
That's
of